Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add and remove widgets on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. To do so, first we need to press and hold our finger on an empty space in the home screen. So let's say I'm gonna do this over here. And then after opening this menu, we have widgets at the bottom of the screen. So let's press widgets. Now over here we will find a list of apps that support widgets, that have some widgets that we can add. So let's say I'm gonna use Spotify. You can press on the app in order to unfold all available options or widgets, and then in order to add it, you can, for instance, tap on the widget, or you can press and hold the widget. If you press and hold, then you can immediately choose the position where you want to add it, and of course you can also switch to different pages if needed. So this is how it looks like. Now, in order to remove the widget, what you need to do is one more time press and hold, but this time on the widget that you want to remove. So press and hold your finger on the widget, and then you have remove option. Press remove and it's gone. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.